Yeah. Oh, you can't make this stuff up. All right, we went over to our friend's house last night, and they threw down the most wonderful dinner, and I made sure we got out of there with a big plate of leftovers. And so I told her, I said, hey, can I get some of the leftovers from last night? No, take one for yourself.
No, yeah, I've already, you already, bugging kita eh.
Anything else?
Sumbangin kita gusto mo.
Hey, Butteroo. So I said, hey, make me a plate, right? She brings me the rice, the pasta, but conveniently leaves out this most delicious stick of meat here. And I knew that there were two in the ref, and I was like, Fatima, I said, are you kidding me? Now she just went up to the store. She just went up to the store and bought breakfast from our folks up there that cook. So she ate breakfast. She ate great breakfast. But when she served me my meal, she purposely.
I thought that you don't want to eat it.
You thought that I didn't want to eat these delicious chicken kebabs.
And then also, I'm not warm. I forget to warm. I'm not sure.
Folks, you can't make this stuff up. She ate a delicious breakfast, but she kept those things in the ref, and she was hoping. Look at this girl. She was hoping that I didn't say anything and forget about it, because she was saving that for later.
Let's go for it.
Unbelievable. Okay, I'm telling you, you can have one, but
no, I have one in there. Do you think that I'm gonna save one?
Oh, so there's one more in there.
Yeah.
So there was three. There was three, and you were saving all three for yourself.
Now I forgot to warm lagi. That's why I'm not serve you. Hello, hindi mo ko duslog do.
Honey, you can't make this stuff up, folks. When it comes to food, this woman right here is a gangster. Babe, I'm trying to make a YouTube video here.
Just quiet.
She is a gangster when it comes to food. No sympathy, no empathy for the foreign dude whatsoever.
I forgot to warm lagi. That's why I serve you. This one, the noodles, I warmed nothing. But, you know.
Can I enjoy mine? You can't make this up. I can't believe that, but I do believe it because this is an everyday thing. Fatima. Look, I would have been happy. Just give me one. So there's three in there. Just give me one. No. She was hoarding all three of the barbecue sticks. Stress I'm under here. And folks, I hope the camera does us some justice right there. I didn't take the camera last night when we went over to my buddy's house. His wife and daughters just did an outstanding job on dinner. And his daughter made the most delicious carrot cake I've had since I left America. I mean, it was delicious. My goodness, last night's dinner was just superb. And I told her, I said, hey, if you ever want to be on my cooking show, come on over. I'd love to do a cooking show because I want to eat the food. Outstanding. And as you can see, hey, sweetie girl, what you doing? You want some of Papa's food? No, you already ate. Okay. So, anyhow. Everybody loves coming and hanging out in Papa's office. But we have an issue with people pulling on wires. Forrest G. Yes, sweetie. Okay, Papa, take a break. Good job, son. But you're not supposed to tear up the book, but that's okay. You tore the pages out of your book to make your ABCs? Good job, buddy. You got 2 E's, buddy. Somehow you came up with 2 E's. Good job, son. Where did you tear it out of? The book right here? Ah, right there. Okay. What you watching? What are you doing, buddy?
Ang tamik man. Ang beautiful lagi.
There are thousands of foods with ironic sunglasses.
It's about money. It's about keeping the tradition alive.
Papa, this
You want Papa to put it down here? Okay, you got it.
No matter what. One not giving up in the face of the utter failure of leadership year. Meet the Mulligan. Started by this guy, Tom Nardone, with a simple mission.